Ahuraniri ya giturwa kia ungabana kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni manyitite itemi nderetini ya kuheana cioneki ciao kuri muingi wa kaunti ino riri twerekeire githurano-ini kia mweri wa kanana. Hamwe na aria magwikinyitie ni Pole Kapigathe, Nancy Wabui, Haman Grewal, Dennis Kothe na Kenneth Nyamwamu aria maitikire kuha muingi na ciaraniro cia uria makamekira makiria hari thiku cia mbere igana rimwe.
Imarisha biashara, a strong vibrant economy.
With zero deposit, a citizen or a Nairobian will just move into the house and start paying the rent.
We talk about cartels, but we don't deal with cartels.
We can have days where part of Nairobi, like on a weekend, is cut off and let people come sell their merchandise.
Pole Kapigathe agweta kugacirithia wonjoria wa ikari ya Nairobi ukunigia kiendekithia kugia na tafarira cia kuhuthia miikarire ya ikari guku.
A Linda Jamii package that will reduce the number of food insecure households from northwards of 50,000 households in Nairobi, and we contain that.
Kidero should be charged. Kidero needs to be in committee or something. Somebody needs to be held accountable.
Tafarira cia kugacirithia ugima wa mwiri nacio cia gwetwo ta undu ahuraniri aingi magienda gukorwo magikinyaniria.
Instead of building expensive hospitals in the slum areas, which is a huge challenge, we're going to build 10 mobile hospitals.
I can connect and work with women to make sure that with the introduction of online studies, that this house girl, they can earn a living as house girls, but have some time to do online classes and continue with the academic.
Kuonana banene ya ikari ya guku ni mbeu njithi, mitaratara ya guteithiriria mbeu njithi ya gwetwo ta undu ufatie kuhimbirio ni thirikari ya kaunti no.
We talk about our youth who are graduating, who are very informed, they have nothing to do. It is because the leadership is not thinking for the future of our children. And I think it's very critical for us that we look at this practically and we find solution to issues that are affecting Nairobians.
When we come to the economy, truly tackling corruption, shut-fronting it, holding it by its face or its neck and shaking this city from the arms of organized criminals and cartels.
Hindi ya ndereti no igathenie korire haceke ang'ethaniri yake makimugweta ta mutongoria wehereire muritu riria ahetwo mweke wa gutungata rungu rwa gavana wa tene Mike Sonko.
He knew who he was tying himself to when they were campaigning in 2017. He just didn't go to office and find out, oh, this is the guy I'm dealing with. He knew that when they were campaigning. So he chose to attach himself to him. And then he's like, oh, I can't deal with this guy, I refuse to taint myself.
Ona kuri uguo muhuraniri wa giturwa giki na tigiti wa kiama kia UDA Johnson Sakaja ndanikinya ndereti-ini no thegi ya gukorwo atanyitwo gwikinyia. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV retwo rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.